Oh yeah, whole lot better. YouTube, what's poppin'? You know the grind ain't stopping. Shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to get that bell to ring, man. Hey man, don't forget to like that video. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Today we'll be working on the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We'll be changing out the halogen headlights to some LED headlights. This is not a promotion video. These are the lights. I'll be plugging it in. It's pretty much plug and play. You don't have to worry about the balance and everything, just like if you were to have like HIDs. These do run a lot cooler and they last a lot longer. So I definitely recommend LED headlights if your car didn't come with them, pretty much. So I already removed the back piece for where the headlight goes. I'm gonna show you where exactly to take it off. You just spin it out. So if you go here behind the wheel well, you can spin it out, just turn it to the left or turn it to the right. And when it hits these tabs, it'll come out easy. Or you could come from the top. You could take off the filter and the whole box and everything and then get to the headlight. Same thing over here. You can remove a couple of these items and you can get to it. Or you can just swing around and it's already open. I already took it off. So we'll get off in there and get them swapped out. And let me get you guys a look what it looks like with the lights on. Oh my God, the yellow. Yeah, that's not good. It's not that good at night either, so these things gotta go. All right, I'll get the first one swapped out and then we'll be right back. All right, so I did get one of the bulbs out. Just so you know, you have to reach in there. See if I can get in there. It's hard to get in there. Yeah, you can't really see it. But if you can get in there, and you have to twist this out. So pretty much twist it to the left. And then in order to take it off the harness, it'll be a little plug right here. You just pop it off of that. And then this will come loose. So we got this one out. So let's get the LED on there. This is what was on the back of the, just in case you want to know what it looked like. This was on the back of the light. So you have to take this off in order to access this. All right, next step. All right, as you can see, the bulb is pretty much hanging out. It does work. This thing is a lot brighter on camera. So, I mean, not on camera, but in my face. Like, I can barely look at it, but we're going to get it inside the actual light, and then we'll go from there. It might be easier to just leave it on and then twist it in there, so that way you can see it in the actual hole and twist it in. Okay, we got this side installed. I put all the pieces back on. You can't really see it because it's dark. But let's get the... Oh yeah, whole lot better. That, and look at the yellow over there. Big difference. And it make it look more luxurious, you know? I like that. All right, let's get the other side done. It did scratch my hand all up, so it did come with these gloves, but it's kind of hard to tell what you're doing, so I'll just keep going. All right, we'll get this side and I'll show you both. All right, so we have both of them installed. It is lighting up the entire garage. It looks a lot better. I don't know why they don't come from the factory like this, but I guess Jeep trying to save some money. So I guess they saved a few dollars because these things only like 30 bucks. I can put the link to these in the description if you would like, so that you can get some, but yeah, makes it look a lot better. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. All right, with the dirty window, that's what we have. It's a lot more visibility, maybe like 50% more, so maybe not 50%, maybe like 20, 30, maybe even 40%. It's just a lot more crystal clear. My wife said she's seen, let's get the high beams. My wife said she's seen some coyotes out, so down the street. So let's see, with the halogens, she couldn't really see them, but with the high beams, oh yeah. Yeah, you can definitely see what's going on. Still got the factory high beams, but you still can see a lot better. All right, that'll conclude this video. If you enjoyed this video, You know, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you know anybody that needs help with this problem, we'll be back with another video here pretty soon. All right, see you.